Hello fellow aviators, welcome back to Aliong'o Aerosphere, and let's talk aviation. Now 25 years ago, when I was still in primary school, we used to have debates. A topic would be written on the blackboard on a Friday and we'd spend the weekend preparing. Now one topic stuck with me. Neo-colonialism is worse than colonialism itself. Now I remember one argument really clearly. Someone said, yes, self-governance is important, but for it to work, we need an overhaul of the systems we inherited. We need to strip out corruption, remove the colonial mindset, and rebuild things properly. That word stayed with me. Overhaul. What does it really mean? To my young mind, it meant a complete cleanup. Take something apart, inspect every piece, remove what's broken or corrupt, and rebuild it into something that works better. And interestingly, that's exactly how things work in aviation. You see, in the aircraft world, overhaul isn't just a metaphor. It's a precise, critical process that keeps aircraft safe and flying. Now let's break it down. Aircraft components, engines, landing gears, pumps, don't last forever. After a certain number of flight hours or cycles, they become worn, dirty, and less reliable. So what happens? They go through an overhaul. That means the unit is completely disassembled. Every part is inspected piece by piece. Dirt, debris, and contaminants are cleaned out. Worn components like O-rings and bearings are replaced. And finally, everything is reassembled and tested. You see, when it comes back, it's not new, but it's restored to a certified airworthy condition, ready for another cycle of operation. Now here's where it gets really interesting, because airlines cannot afford to wait weeks for that process. So instead of repairing their own unit immediately, they use something called a parts exchange system. How this system works: the airline removes the faulty component. This is usually called the core, C-O-R-E. They send that core to a maintenance provider, and in return, they receive a ready-to-use overhaul unit. Now this keeps aircraft downtime to a minimum. The plane gets back in the air quickly, while the original unit is being repaired in the background. So whether we're talking about governments or aircraft systems, the principle is the same. Sometimes for something to function properly, you can't just patch it up, right? You have to open it up, inspect it deeply, clean out what doesn't belong, and rebuild it with precision. That is an overhaul. And in aviation, it's not just a concept, it's what keeps everything flying safely. Now, if you find this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more insights into aviation systems and operations. And as always, thank you very much for stopping by. Kwaheri kwa leo, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye-bye.